Hey everyone, welcome to another Clean With Me video. I know I haven't uploaded a video in a really long time, but I'm really excited to be back. I'm just starting off with unloading the dishwasher and getting everything packed away. It's about 6:30 in the morning and my husband and my kids are still asleep, so I'm just doing more of the quiet jobs until they all wake up, and then I can really get stuck in and do the things that need to be done. And this is my favourite cleaner to use. The lilac scent by Mrs. Myers smells amazing. It's got a really soft floral scent that I just love. I can hear the kids are starting to wake up, so I'm just going to quickly throw in a load of laundry. Kids are now awake and having breakfast, and they will clean up after themselves, which they do every morning. I do get my kids to make their beds and clean their rooms every day, but I do go in there every so often and just give it a dust and a bit of a straighten up for them. But mainly keeping their rooms clean is their own responsibilities, and they're pretty good at it. the girls actually redecorated their bedrooms, and I have to say for a 9 and a 10-year-old, I think they did pretty well. The kids' bathroom actually just needed a really good wipe down. It had been a couple of days since it had been done and it was starting to get pretty grimy. Moving on to Noah's room, and I had just deep cleaned this room a few days ago, so it didn't really need much done, just more straightening up. Moving on to our room, and once again I had just deep cleaned this room a couple of days ago, so I really just had to make the bed. Now that we have had lunch, I'm just going to quickly do the dishes so that they don't stack up and I don't have dishes in the sink. The only vacuuming I had to do on this day was the lounge room, and during this whole uncertain time, I'm just sort of doing whatever needs to be done when it needs to be done. I don't really have a cleaning schedule, it's kind of gone out the window. So today I just had to vacuum the lounge room and do a few odd jobs. Am I the only one who loves to see vacuum lines on their couch? Please tell me I'm not the only one. And because it never ends, I am folding laundry. Else struggle to fold doona covers? Short people problems. For the third and final time, I am doing dishes, and the girls decided to help me out. And you'll see Noah in the background. He decided he wanted to sweep, so he's helping me by sweeping. barkeeper's friend on my sink. I love it. The sink comes up looking sparkling new every time I use it. I cannot recommend it enough. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm so excited to be back, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!